It feels so empowering to be part of this campaign. Like what I said in my post, it has always been my dream to be part of this family. No joke, alam mo na yung Century Tuna yan. That's why when they reached out to my team, January this year, 2024, I got really excited. And tonight, I'm just really grateful. Maraming salamat to our bosses, to my Century Tuna family for making this dream come true. And of course, I admire kasi the brand because of their commitment in promoting healthy habits such as, having a healthy lifestyle and having the right diet. So ever since talaga, pag nakikita ko yung campaigns nila, it's just so inspiring, and now it just feels so surreal that I am now part of that campaign. And girl, super on, oh my god, so thank you so much. Having the best version of yourself comes with transformation. So every day, we try to be better, we try to be best, and I think that is just aligned with what Century Tuna represents, to be brave enough to challenge ourselves and to chase for our goals, including our body goals. So when I said yes to this, even though na meron ako very limited time to prepare, I knew that I was committed. I gave my 100% kahit na sobrang limited lang yung time to prepare. And I'm just glad that they're very supportive of me. And parang Century Tuna gave me that extra motivation that I needed. Especially with the limited time, I'm like, no, I have to make this brand proud. And I want to inspire all women, especially once they see this campaign. So that became my motivation.